Hey, it's Ivy Slater. If you've been following me for a while, you'll notice that I've done a bunch of speaking. I even recently did a TEDx talk. So people have asked me, Ivy, how do you use speaking as part of your business model? Meaning, if I help companies scale, I help leaders plan their leadership, their succession plans, where their companies are going in the next 1, 3, 5+ years. What do I do with my speaking, and how is that an asset to me? So I thought I'd break it down, and we'd cover this in several different following weeks. Today I want to give you the overview. I use speaking as a way to grow and develop potential opportunities, lead sources, and relationships. So my first tip is when you're invited to speak or you're looking for opportunities to speak, your first piece is who's in the audience. Is the audience your ideal clients? Speaking for speaking is wonderful, and it's a great ego boost, to be very honest with you. But we do want to ask that first question. Who's the audience? Why will they need the information I'm about to share? And will this be an asset to them? From there, it's a relationship building tool to develop those wonderful relationships, have the long-term impact, and the long-term results in your business. Stay tuned for more tips and understanding of how speaking is a marketing tool in the growth and development of scaling your company.